thrive in having regrets, Jules, because this great big crazy thing we call life.
It sounds like you're ramping up for a long one, so first I have to ask, do you think that's an appropriate outfit for work?
I did until a second ago.
To ramp up. To make something increase in amount. To increase the effort involved in a process. To develop gradually in a certain direction. Examples.
This is between Dennis and Alyssa.
How can I ignore this? And I quote, "It's not like she can hear."
Lynette, you're starting to ramp up into that whole meddling thing that you do.
Excuse me?
Let me just handle it. Let's avoid a big thing.
Ladies, I give you the future. How many times you girls seen me fall off this ladder? Now, that's gonna happen less.
Looks like your gutter cleaner stuck on something.
Not a problem. This baby detects blockage and then ramps up the power.
Do you consider yourself a hero?
Oh, no.
Of course not. A hero doesn't call himself a hero. A hero gets called a hero because of what he does. And with your impressive record, not even I could deny you the title.
Objection. She's clearly ramping up to something.
Objection. That's not a real objection.
Objection. I hate the both of you. You may proceed, Miss Edison, but do so with caution. Need I remind you, this is not a courtroom.
Lynette, you're starting to ramp up into that whole meddling thing that you do.
Not a problem. This baby detects blockage and then ramps up the power.
It sounds like you're ramping up for a long one, so first I have to ask.
Objection. She's clearly ramping up to something.